Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, walnut shell are very simple nature and easy to use. Instead of throwing them away, we can reuse them and make amazing shell art pieces. First, take some clean walnut shells. You can break them carefully and spare them. Now let's start painting. You can use any colors you like, red, yellow, green, or even golden color. Look very beautiful. We can turn walnut shells into tiny animals. For example, paint one shell like a small ladybug, add black dots and little eyes. It looks very cute and creative. We can also make a simple turtle. Just add paper legs and small face and paint the shell green. Now it looks like a mini turtle. Another idea is making small bird. Add feathers on the back and draw a small beak and eyes. It looks very soft and beautiful. If you like decoration ideas, you can choose walnut shell for home decoration. Put glitter on them and stick them on photo frame, gift box, or wall hanging. You can also make mini candles. Just place small candles inside the shell. It's give a warm and cozy look. These crafts are very easy, fun, and budget friendly. Kids and adults both can enjoy them. The best part is we are recycling nature materials and making something new and beautiful. And viewers, next idea is viewers, and we can paint them in different colors and turn them into cute animals. For example, we can make a tiny bear, paint a shell yellow, black, and weavers. Another area is a small owl. Use brown color to a big eyes and add a small detail to look very cute. And on a tree branches, walnut shell can also be used for decoration. We can stick them on photo frame and make them more beautiful. We can also use them in wall hanging crafts. If you want something different, try making jewelry. Add a small hook and turn it into earring or pendant. And beavers. Friends, you can even use walnut in kids' school project. They are nature safe and very creative. And weavers, friends, I hope you are enjoying my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video. Take care and Khuda Hafiz, viewers.
छोटी सी बना लीजिए. छोटी बनाओ या बड़ी? थोड़ी छोटी सी.
Viewers, Allah Hafiz.
दो